Well, g'day guys, I'm Ryan Eagleton and this is my lovely wife Amanda, and today she's going to cook for you one of our most favourite dishes, chili con carne, using only 5 ingredients. Now we're parents of 4 boys, so while I've been at work, Amanda hasn't usually had a lot of time to cook meals, prepare meals or anything. Time was very limited. This was a family favourite of ours. It's very quick to make, so stay tuned and see how you can make this easy from home with just normal supermarket ingredients. Alright, so without any further ado, Amanda, start your cooker. I'll put some nice soft music on behind you, no pressure whatsoever, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we've got 1.5 kilos of mince that we've put in there for our family, because don't forget we'd normally be making rice or pasta or using it in taco shells or something else to add or use with this. Now, like all good cooking recipes, there's always beer to be added. So as soon as I get the go ahead, I'm going to tip this beer in there.
No beer in this one though.
Wait a minute, there's beer in everything.
No, put in my recipe.
I like to use beer, guys. I think that it enhances the flavour, but obviously we didn't use beer in this one. So guys, while Amanda is slightly browning off the mince, I'll show you the ingredients. We have an Old El Paso spice mix, 1 packet, only medium spice. We don't like it too hot. I like it hot, but the kids don't like it that hot. We have an Old El Paso taco sauce, 1 small cup. We have some jar. We have Mexican chili beans. Now, these are a crowd favourite about 3 hours after we've eaten this meal.
Especially 4 boys.
these have got everything. And we've also just got a normal can of whole peeled tomatoes. We bought these tomatoes though during the COVID dramas and everything like that. The only ones we could get was organic. We just normally buy normal peeled tomatoes, but this was all that was on the shelf. So guys, we like to keep this meal as simple as possible, like we said, with 5 easy ingredients. But if you would like an onion chopped, I've got no problems in chopping an onion for you. I've even brought my ninja sword for you. But Amanda, she's not that big a fan of onion, and nor is my boys, as you can tell in that last video we did. But if you like to, I can put a special link where I'll chop this in the air. So if you like, guys, you can add capsicum. You can punch those capsicums. What do you call them? You call them peppers in America. Throw the pepper in there if you want. Get that thing in there. Same as anything else you like. I've got avocados, I've got some fresh limes here. I'm gonna do a guacamole off the side with some taco shells and things like that to show you that this mince is a versatile meal. You can have it in a soft shell taco, an enchilada, you can have it as chili con carne, you can have it just as a cheese toasty. So that's one thing that we do, guys, when we've finished with all the mince and stuff like that and all the rice is gone. We'll melt cheese on 2 pieces of bread, a jaffle, I think you might call them overseas, cheese toasty, you name it, you can use it for everything. So Dale, I'm not sure if you noticed it, but I think an onion just rolled off the side over there then. Do you want to just check and see whether or not the onion, no? Okay.
Unlike the other day.
Unlike the other day. Now, are you sure that I can't be adding beer into this meal?
Yeah, no beer.
No beer.
This is my recipe.
That is your recipe?
Yeah. And the kids shouldn't have beer anyway.
And the kids shouldn't be having beer, you're right.
Yeah.
Not that it wouldn't cook off the alcohol. Right, Dale, so you've browned off all the mince. What do we add now?
So first we're adding spice mix for chili.
Spice mix, all right, here we go.
Okay.
We're ready for the onion yet?
No.
No onion.
Put the bloody onion away.
Use the knife.
Right.
And how long do we stir the seasoning mix through?
Just till it's stirred through. Not long, 30
I'd
seconds.
say 30 seconds then. We'll go with 30
30
seconds.
seconds sounds good.
What goes in next?
You can basically put anything in next. Doesn't matter what order you put it in, I just whack it in.
Whack it in. No measurements. All
No.
right. I'll get these cans
So I
open
like
then.
to cook.
So I'll to cook too. No measurements. Tastes better that way, guys.
Splash the tomato and everything.
That's all right. That's a fast meal. We're gonna splash crap everywhere here.
Hang on, the beans don't like them now.
Beans might like coming out now. It's been 3 hours, they're gonna like coming out. Give that thing a little smack. Whoa, look at that. These bloody beans, they're hanging on for grim life. There we go, they're not wind beans, they're stuck beans.
Alright. Now we stir it in.
And how long do we let that simmer for?
Well, I guess it depends on how hot you want it. We usually let it simmer for about half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yep.
And when do we pour the beer in? Alright guys, now while Amanda's still doing her stirring at the moment and reducing down that sauce, I'm going to show you how we make our homemade guacamole. So first of all, I finally get to use my little, my new knife. And I'll show you the easiest way to cut the avocado and the lime to make that sauce. So here we go. Alright, so there's the avocado done. Now it's the lime's turn. And there the lime's done. So what we'll do now is, we'll just simply scoop this out. I'll come back and I'll show you the measurements in a little nice little perfect little jar. Alrighty, so now that we've chopped up the avocado, guacamole is so easy guys, and we're only using 3 simple ingredients. So we're only going to use the actual avocado, some fresh sea salt flakes, as well as some lime juice. I know you can add a little bit of tomatoes, you can add jalapenos, you can add whatever you want to your mixture, but this is just what works in our family with our kids. They just don't like too much spice. So here we go. Grab a fork, start just mushing it down. Give a nice squeeze of lemon juice into there while you do it. That's gone everywhere, that's over my face, that's everywhere, so that's good. So you know, just a pinch of salt, push it all down, mash it all up into a nice paste. I generally add 2 avocados, but I'm just showing you how simple you can make guacamole. Alright, so that's all nice and mashed up. We'll give it a test. Perfect. That's bloody good.
Yeah.
Perfect. I thought man doesn't like avocados.
I'm trying it.
So this is for me. And how are we going here, Amanda?
Yeah, well, this is pretty much done. I might
Pretty
just
much done?
Turn it off and serve it up.
So now that smells absolutely amazing, but what I want you to do is, can you pick up your glass, because we're going to do a cheese. Now, the cheese isn't between you and me,
I was going to choose you.
but the cheese is to someone out there on YouTube, and that goes to the channel Cruise and Stuff. Ryan, cheers mate. I read this morning that you guys are expecting a new baby. It'll be your 3rd baby, and we just want to wish you all the best and hope everything goes well for both mum and baby and yourselves and your other kids, and it's a very enjoyable time. So mate, congratulations and all the best for it.
Cheers, guys.
Now we're into the serving up period, and I'll leave that all up to Amanda
Thanks.
because she does a better artistic job of everything. I just slap it all together. I just dip it in the bowl.
Very artistic.
Well, make it bloody artistic.
Trying
Let's
some
get into
corn
it.
chips
I've
on a
just
bowl.
pumped you up. I've told you you're artistic. You're artistic
Not
everywhere
really.
else.
Not really.
Let's go.
No. It's just some corn chips on a bowl, though.
We're going to make it look
Okay.
good though.
Alright.
That's the difference between selling and not selling this dish. Alright, where's your big bloody spoon?
I don't know, where'd you put it?
I left it on the sink. Alexa?
Alexa!
Alexa's listening. Get the bloody spoon, Alexa. Alexa, can you get the spoon for us, please?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
I bet you get it for Matthew McConaughey though. He loves Matthew McConaughey.
Oh.
Alright, so we've got the spoon. Now normally guys, you'd serve this up on either a bed of rice or something else like that. We haven't cooked the rice at the moment though, because we're just showing you how you actually do the chili con carne. Everyone knows how to cook rice. But this is the easy mix of chili con carne. Amanda's gonna slap some in that taco.
Okay. Slap it in the taco.
Slap it in the taco. So there you go, there's another way that you can have it. You can sprinkle some cheese in there. You can put some sour cream. You can put some Tabasco sauce on it. You can just set it up however you like really. It's an easy meal. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed Amanda's special recipe on how to make an easy chili con carne with only 5 ingredients. get out to the supermarket and try it yourself. That's really bloody good.
You want to try some?
I'll try some.
Hey, you want to try it?
Okay.
Shove it in.
Shove it in.
Oh, shit.
Broke the chip. This is meant to
Hang
be
on,
like
I got
You can't swear that much on TV, but we'll bleep that out. Here we go.
Hang on, dog. Hang on, now I'm going to feed it to you.
Oh, feed it to me.
Alright.
That's bloody
Alright.
good. Yeah, it doesn't take much to please me though. That's amazing.
Obviously.
That's amazing.
Cheers, dog.
So cheers guys. Have a great weekend wherever you are. I know it's Mother's Day tomorrow. Make sure you hold your mother tight. And if you can, if you're allowed to go there. We're not, so we'll be staying here. So have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. We'll see you on the next one.
Cheers, guys.